Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can disable Windows 11 login password and the lock screen. So whenever you want to sign in into your Windows, you will have the login password and the lock screen wherein if you are not going to enter your login password, then you cannot access into your Windows. Now, is there a way that we can disable that login password and lock screen? Well, there is. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type here NATPLWIZ. It's NATPLWIZ. Click on that once. Now the user accounts window will appear and you have this option. Users must enter a username and passwords to use this computer. Now if in case you don't have this option, well, don't worry. Open the command prompt, type CMD, click on run as administrator. Then I have a command. I will just paste it or post it in the description section of this video. And then once you type this command, it will state that the operation completed successfully. Just type exit, hit enter. And for sure, 100% sure, you will have this option. Users must enter a username and password to use this computer. Now, if this is checked, then simply uncheck this box and you need to choose your user account, your current user account, and click on apply. Then here you can set up your computer so that users do not have to type a username and password to sign in. Do this. Specify a user that will be automatically signed in below. So this is the how to fix guides. Now I'm just going to type the password for this user account. So let me just type it here. Confirm. Click on OK. Okay, let me just type it again. You need to choose the correct user account. So, once you're done with that, you just need to simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. And after you have restarted your Windows, then by that, you have just disabled the login password and the lock screen of your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.